Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Hundreds of youth get out CM, demand revocation of scrapped government post. Parrikar gets into heated arguments with youth, says will listen only if proper documents are available. Goa Cricket Association to take action on clubs who participated in disputed elections. Action on Narvekar and Dilip Daborkar as well. Elections could be held on 22nd July, says President Vinod Phadke. "78 women elected as Sarpanch in Panchayat election, 64 from reserved and 14 from non-reserved category. Goa Football Association's plays safe. GFA to appoint Assistant General Secretary. Executive Committee member will guide GFA till Assistant Secretary ripens to take over, says GFA President Srinivas Dempo. And Ruiji Suoka joins five-time I-League champions Dempo Sports Club, promising Yusuke Kato might not return to Dempo in Sarman. Yet to find a replacement for Renty, says Dempo head coach. And now the news in detail. Hundreds of youth get out. Chief Minister demanding restoration of government jobs scrapped by Parrikar-led government. They were created by a Kamath-led government just before assembly election. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had a tough time with the youth. He made it clear that if they have proper documents, then only youth can get government jobs. They have condemned the government's stand. The situation was tensed on Tuesday at Alteen.
कौन मुर्दाबाद म्हणटा हांगा यो तुका कोणे ऑर्डर दिल्या कोणे ऑर्डर दिल्या
मला पोस्टान सुरू दिली
पोस्टान दिल्या
हाय ते एन्युअल बी दवरूंक ना सर आम्ही
केन्ना आयली तुका कितल्या
20 येता 20 येता
20 तारखेक पोस्टान आयली ऑर्डर दाखय
ऑर्डर आम्ही घेऊन येऊ ना न्हू
ऑर्डरच ना जाल्यार तूं उलयता कित्याक मागीर
हे तुम्ही सर हे तुम्ही पहिली सांगलेले आमकां
हांवें तुज्या मनशाक क्लियर सांगला ऑर्डर ही पोस्टान आहे
आमच्या मनीस लोकांना आमचा डिपार्टमेंट थ्रू येयला सर त्याच्या पुढे
मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड ऑर्डर
ओके सर
ओके तुमच्या पहिली हांवें अलाउड करूं ना नंबर 2 ओके पहिली खंयचे पोस्ट कितें पोस्ट हाजी कांयच तुमचे कडेन कागदां ना कोणाचे पळय जे कितें आसा कोणा कडेन सारकें आसा पळय तांच्यांनी अर्ज करचो लावचो आपलो कागद ताका फोन नंबर बरोवचे हांव आपोवन हाडटा आनी विशय तो बरो फायल आपोवन हाडटा आनी हांवें ताका क्लियर सर्वांक जावंक सोदता सर्वांक आयकोन घे अरे त्या कायद्यान जरा हांव करता आतांय सांगता पण तुमच्या कायद्यान जावंक ना हें म्हाका खबर आहा म्हणून हांव तुमकां सांगता तुम्ही डिपार्टमेंट तुमच्या गांवच्यान हांव आतांच सांगता
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह डिपार्टमेंटाच्यान एप्रुवल आसा मागीर सामान्य प्रशासन खात्या कडल्यान तांकां एप्रुवल आसा फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट कडल्यान तांकां एप्रुवल आसा हे सगळे एप्रुवल करून जर आयज पर्रीकर सरकार जर हे कॅन्सल करून जर न्यू एडवर्टायजमेंट करून न्यू रिक्रुटमेंट जर करता जाल्यार खंय तरी पक्षपात म्हणून पळयता अशें आमकां दिसता गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री हे एका विशिश्ट पक्षाचो ना तर संपूर्ण जनतेचो मुख्यमंत्री आसा त्या दृश्टीकोनान त्यांनी आयज पळोवपाचें गरजेचें आसा आनी जर तो पळयना तर तेजी जागा दाखोवन दिवपाची कॅपेसिटी ह्या युवा वर्गा कडेन आसा आनी आमी ते करून दाखयताले
हांवें ताका व्हेरी क्लियरली सांगला की तुमकां पोस्टान हे धाडला हाजे प्रूफ दिया
Meanwhile, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has expressed displeasure over Parrikar's decision of scrapping the posts created by the Congress government.
Just because earlier government had made it cancel those appointments, this is not fair. We should see the fate of young people, what is happening today. In fact, when BJP government had done this, our government was trying to see how to accommodate them best. Which was everybody was seeing that attempt was being made to see that whatever may be, we should try to accommodate those people.
A video journalist Onkar Falari with Belon De Silva.
Goa Cricket Association will take action on the clubs that participated in the disputed election. Sources say that Anand Narvekar claimed to be elected the president of GCA on Monday. On 4 June, the managing committee will meet to amend the constitution. The most important amendment will be a president cannot hold office for more than 2 terms. GCA will also have a general body meeting on June 24th where the election procedures will be discussed. The GCA president Vinod Phadke also informed press persons that the election will most probably be held on 22nd July.
We will held election before 25th July. 4 जुनाक आमची मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिटींग जातली. पयलो मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिटींग पयलो सब्जेक्ट आसतलो ते अमेंडमेंट टू आवर मेमोरंडम. आदे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आसले पळय त्या प्रमाण प्रेसिडेंटाक 2 टर्म मेळटाले कंटिन्युअस 2 टर्म्स. त्यो बिकॉज ऑफ सम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ आवर अर्लियर प्रेसिडेंट 2 टर्माच्या जाग्यार ते लायफ टायम म्हणून अमेंड केले तेन्ना. ह्या खातीर आमी हे अमेंडमेंट चेंज करतले आनी आमी परते आदी जे अमेंडमेंट आसले आदी जे रुल्स आसले ती 2 टर्म कंटिन्युअस कोणाकूय रावंक मेळटा ती परती हाडटले. 24 जुनाक आमची स्पेशल जनरल बॉडी आसतली. 25 जुनाक आमची परती मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिटींग जातली आनी त्या मिटिंगेक आमी इलेक्शन डेट डिक्लेअर करतले जी प्रोबेबली 22 जुलैक आसतली.
One more important decision we'll be taking that day is to initiate action on the clubs who have participated with the election process in spite being informed to the press, to the media and individually की election committee जी फाटली आसलेली ती disband जाल्ली आहा and our clubs, registered clubs association should desist from participation in that process.
Action to be taken on Dayanand Narvekar will be decided on 4th June.
We will decide it in the coming managing committee meeting what action to be taken. Now anybody calling him president without any legal, then I think we must take some action on that. Definitely we will take some action on that. We will take action on the election committee which had disobeyed managing committee as well as our arbitrator. And I think the committee, what I was surprised to see these photos of the committee, because in that when I saw the photos, there were some drivers, there was some one gardener, one canteen contractor was there. So I don't know what type of cricket. Is it Goa Cricket Association or Goa Carom Association?
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Purpuri.
78 women Sarpanch and 103 women deputy Sarpanch have been elected in 185 village panchayat in the state. Of this, 14 women Sarpanch and 41 women deputy Sarpanch are in the general category. 64 posts were reserved for women for the post of Sarpanch, while 62 for the post of Deputy Sarpanch. The notification on the elected Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch would be published in the official state gazette on Wednesday. Watch Navdeep Aghia's report.
14 women have been elected as Sarpanch and 41 women have been elected as Deputy Sarpanch in the general category. 78 women Sarpanch and 103 Deputy Sarpanch have been elected in 185 village panchayats in the state. The taluka-wise number of women Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch are Kepe Taluka, 4 Sarpanch and 6 Deputy Sarpanch. Pedne 6 Sarpanch and 12 Deputy Sarpanch. Satari 4 Sarpanch and 8 Deputy Sarpanch. Picholi 8 Sarpanch and 9 Deputy Sarpanch. Bardes 16 Sarpanch and 17 Deputy Sarpanch. Tiswadi 6 Sarpanch and 12 Deputy Sarpanch. Sange 4 Sarpanch and 2 Deputy Sarpanch. Darbandora 2 Sarpanch and 4 Deputy Sarpanch. Ponda 8 Sarpanch and 9 Deputy Sarpanch. Kankon 2 Sarpanch and 4 Deputy Sarpanch. Murgaon 5 Sarpanch and 5 Deputy Sarpanch. Salset 13 Sarpanch and 15 Deputy Sarpanch. Notification on the elected Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch in 185 village panchayats will be published in the official state gazette on Wednesday.
Oath of office will be taken by the BDOs. They are actually designated as oath officers. So it is on Wednesday. And only after that the Sarpanch can convene meetings, normal meetings for the panchayat. We are going to have a 3-day program for every panchayat member. Every panchayat member should attend it. So we are going to tell them about the rules, regulation of the panchayat, then the tendering procedure, how to take up works, then how to conduct meetings. So all these things about administration of the panchayat as well as the laws. A 3 days training program will be provided to all. When this training program? Immediately, I think within a month we should start it. We will be holding this training at the blocks also, so that no need of coming, travelling all the way and coming to the city. Mostly it will be in the blocks.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Akyar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.